Hi, welcome to the next lecture of AI for Professionals, where we are on a mission to help at least 10,000 professionals get the access or the use case of AI where they can, grow their entire career. So far, we have covered everything about how you can use AI, and probably you are surprised that AI is not that tough. Okay, people have made it very complicated. If you have the right use case, AI is easy and efficient for you. So now we are going to cover ethical consideration of AI. That what are the parameters or domains or rules and responsibilities that you should cover when it comes to ethical consideration of AI or when you use AI. Before we move to ethical consideration, I would like to revise everything again for you and with you. So, welcome to the next lecture, and let's go back to our screen, and we will have a review, and then we will focus on ethical consideration. So far, this is the history. Maybe you remember the slide, and if you don't, this is the time for you to go back and revise it again. Um, After OpenAI, there have been arrival of many companies, and these are the best companies around the world. There are many others as well, but these are some of the top name. Okay, and so here comes Rethink AI, which works in the field of research and innovation, and where we are pioneering the entire AI sector. So this is the beginning, and when these old tool came in the market, it started disrupting the entire corporate sector. So just to research everything, I started preparing my own, AI use case, and so far I have created 24,000 use case. But the game-changing point was the elevator theory of AI, a pragmatic approach to operational simplicity. Basically, instead of making AI very complicated, I was focusing on making AI easy for you, AI accessible for you. Okay, where you don't need to fall in those, big tech terms. Even if you are, if you are following, you have got the idea that even if you are from art background, non-tech background, you can use AI for your upliftment or for the fulfillment of your work. So here we have learned that it's not about learning the technical terms, it's about learning the application of AI. Then we have seen the 1% advantage in prompt engineering, where we have discussed the example from Atomic Theory, the book Atomic Habit by um, and where we have seen the story of UK cycling team where they got 50 Olympic medal, and out of those 50, 28 were gold medal. Okay, so the efficient implementation of artificial intelligence is all about taking yourself to the next level or improving yourself by 1%. And here my use case are going to play a big role. So these are the core problem which people are facing, but we are not here to solve to face the problem, but we are here to solve the problem. When you have traditional knowledge, with my use cases, I try to connect your traditional knowledge and artificial intelligence. And we can say this gray area is optimum utilization of your experience and artificial intelligence. Or you can say we have combined your experience and artificial intelligence to take 1% advantage for you. And here, these are the use cases which I have created so far. And here are the countries where professionals are taking the advantage of these use cases. And these are from Canada, India, United States, Germany, United States, Canada, Germany, Mexico, Japan. You can see results are in front of you. Okay, so now let's see how you can use it. Okay, let's go back to again and do this exercise again so that you can have the clear understanding about it. Your first step is get the access of AI for professional uh, planner. Okay, this is your first workbook. Okay, here this is the first page where we have AI for professionals, and this is a brief overview. And I highly recommend please fill all the space, sign here, then define your career goals, short-term goals, long-term goals, then evaluate your current roles. Okay, and then explore AI in your industry. List three ways AI is being used in your industry. Identify one area in your role that could benefit from AI, and then prepare all the use cases that you need. Okay, and then by clicking on this, you can access different use cases. All have been prepared by me. Okay. Whether public relations, coding, copywriting, project management, business writing, personal brand, podcast, high productivity, social media managers, Instagram, graphics. Okay, these for the ease of getting the access, I have provided all these use cases on Amazon. And if you see, if you are a content writer, then you have 500 use case. Can you imagine 500 use case? It means it's going to cover all your need. If you are salespeople, 600 use case. Relationship, again 600 use case. Authors, 500 use case. And all use cases have been covered. Social media manager, 660 use cases. Okay, personal brand for 45, business writing 500, podcast 700 use cases. So all the use cases has been covered. So what you have to do, go to Amazon, get the access of the use case. It's really accessible for you. I have provided it via Amazon. And when you are going to access the booklet with use cases, your use cases, then you will see everything in the form of a chapter. Like if you see this chapter is getting started with Excel. Okay, so it's not just I have written one or two sentence. It was I have worked for hours and hours to prepare all these use cases for you. Like look at this. If you are going to make this use case in your corporate office where you have continuous burden, the boss is looking at your shoulders, and the manager is there, the leader is there, and they are continuously pushing you to get the result by the end of the day. Writing these prompts where you can cover everything is really difficult. So let me show you how it works. Just copy it. You don't need to touch your pen. Okay, you don't need to write. Just copy the prompt. Find out every prompt has a definition. Okay, this prompt is about customizing Excel setting. This prompt is about understanding workbooks and worksheets. Let's take this. Okay. Then there are prompts about every topic. You can't come across these many, use cases. Okay, Excel formulas and functions. You want me to take this? Then let's take this. I have no issue. Okay, copy these. All you have to do is find the right, read the heading. Average function for quick insights using if tax functions. Okay, VLOOKUPs basics. VLOOKUPs is really complicated for people, but here is VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, and mastering indices and match prompts, and everything is there. I mean. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your chat GPT and just post it there. Nothing, you have to do nothing, and just it's done for you. It will give you every detail like what is Excel formula, how it's work, the step-by-step method, determining the difference between two values, calculating multiplications and calculating divisions, and everything has been done for you. Additional tool tips, you will get everything. Will it work on Grok? Yeah, it will work on Grok. Let's post it on Grok. Press enter. You don't need to do anything. Just save your time, man. The most precious thing in the world is your time. Okay. If you can, give your time to someone, that's the best thing you can do in your life. So again, it has already been done. All example has been prepared for you. Now look at something from VLOOKUP. People are literally scared of VLOOKUP. Just copy it. And there are many more formulas on VLOOKUPs, many more use cases on VLOOKUPs. This is done. And let's post this VLOOKUP. Detailed guide on using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Come on, man. Can you see this? You are getting exact syntax, explanation, step-by-step method, data, explanation of the formula, common issues and solutions. Even you have so much knowledge with this use case access. You have so much knowledge that you are now equal to those seniors who have 15, 20 years of experience with the book on product management or event management. Let's say you are just starting your journey as fresher. With the right use case, your knowledge is now equal to your boss. I mean, that's the power of research. That's the power of right use case. Okay, will it work on Grok? Yeah, it will work on Grok. It will work on every particular platform. And I'm just showing it and that how it's work. All you need is just get the access of right use case, find the right use case, and it's done for you. You don't need anything else. And even product ID pricing, everything is done for you. You will get every answer. Recently, I have got the printer so that I can have the access of the entire information, all the use cases in just one go. You are just working in the corporate sector, okay? You are employee of the in a company. I am the brain behind the company, okay? So the only gadget I need right now is beside these use cases is my printer. I can print any particular information to read as fast as possible. In case I need some table or I need to check some formula, then otherwise get the access of these use case. As a director, I have couple of tools with me. Okay, let me share. One, my laptop. One, a journal where I write everything. Okay, and the other is I have premium tools like ChatGPT and others, and then I have printer. This is the only only resource I need to build the company. So if I can build the company with these limited resources, I don't have a limit of resources, but these are the only resources I need. If I can build the 24,000 use case with the access of these limited tools, you definitely can enhance your career with the help of these use cases. And you are you are getting the access of the same use cases which I use personally. Trust me, you get the access of the same use cases which I use personally. I believe in providing quality to the customer. If you provide the real value, your customer will be there with you and for forever. Okay, always believe in solving, I'll always focus on solving the real problem of the people. Okay, so far we have done this, and you can just get the access of the use cases which you need. Then you can work on any particular platform and you can access these use cases from Amazon. Okay, now let's rewind this particular lecture. This lecture was about just revising everything in a new way to show you how to do it step by step. Step A, fulfill your planner. Step B, go and get the access of all the use cases which I have personally prepared for you on the basis of my research experience and after working in both private sector and government sector. So you can imagine, I knew what is happening in the government sector and I knew what is happening in the corporate sector, and I can combine both together. And then go to any particular platform and start using it. Okay, and I will see you in the next lecture.